Let's look now at creating our own workspace. Now currently I'm in the default workspace, the 2D drafting and annotation workspace. You can see it there on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. I want to create my own workspace with my own settings, and what I want is I want the AutoCAD Classic workspace to be my template. So I'm going to go down here to the status bar here. I'm going to click here like so and go to AutoCAD Classic. Now as soon as I do that, you'll see all the toolbars and the pull down menus appear. Now I don't want tool palettes, so what I'm going to do here before I do anything else is create the workspace. Now I can do that here. I can click here and save current as. So if I do a save current as, I can give it a workspace name. So I'm going to give it my initials, SCB, and then I'm going to call it Classic, like so. And it will be Classic 2D. So make sure you get the 2 in there. Classic 2D like that, and save. So that is now my SCB Classic 2D workspace. I don't want tool palettes there. That can go. But what I do want to do is I want some more toolbars available. I don't need this one. So I'm going to close that one, my smooth mesh. I don't know why that's there. But what I am going to do now is right click over some icons here. And I want the zoom toolbar, for example. So I click on here and bring that down here. There's zoom, like so. And there's my zoom toolbar. I'm going to dock that up at the top of the screen here. Dock that horizontally there, like that. And what I'm also going to do is bring in some more toolbars as well. Let's right click again. I want my object snap toolbar. Let's pop that in there like that. And at the bottom of the screen now I right click and I want my dimension toolbar. There it is there. So I'll dock that right down here at the bottom of the screen. So in there like that. So let's get it lined in. And there it is there. So I've now got my SCB Classic 2D workspace set up. So I'm just going to click on the down arrow here now, save current as, click here, select SCB Classic 2D and save. Do I want to replace it? Yes I do, because it's got new settings. Job done. Now, let's go back now to the 2D drafting and annotation. You'll see that comes back as normal. But if I now go down here, and click on Workspace Switching and go to SCB Classic 2D, there it is. There's my SCB Classic 2D workspace. So there you go, creating a workspace set to your needs and requirements for your particular environment.